Good morning, class fifth. I hope you all are good and please be safe and stay at home. So today, today's topic is we have taken is question tags. I have told you this topic earlier also, but I want to teach you that topic on the board, so I have not done that. So today I want to teach you this topic which is question tag. What is question tag? As I have written on the board that what is question tag. First of all, I want to tell this is also a kind of question. It is also a part of interrogative sentence. Question tag is also the part of interrogative sentence. So it's a part of interrogative sentence, and before that you have to open page number 16 in your book. Page number 16 in your book. So what is a question tag? Question tag is a short question added at the end of the sentence. What? A short question added at the end of the sentence to confirm that something is true or not. कि कंफर्म करने के लिए कि जो भी बोला गया है वो ट्रू है, सही बोला गया है या नहीं, तो क्या वो मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो सही है या नहीं है। तो ये एक तरीके से सामने वाले से क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है। ये क्वेश्चन टैग एक one type of interrogative sentence है. All right, so we can ask question in that way also. In which way? In question tag form. All right, so a short question, एक ऐसा question जो छोटा सा question है, added at the end of the sentence. हम sentence के just एक normal sentence, mostly imperative sentence हम कहते हैं, उसके just at the end of the sentence we add it to confirm that something we said is true or not, कि जो हमने बोला है क्या वो सही है या नहीं. So you have to answer it just yes or no. So what you have to answer is you have to answer just yes or no. So this is the that is called question tag. So there are two types of questions I have told you. WH word means interrogative questions, and this is question tags that begin with an auxiliary verb. So this type of question means these question tags begin with is, are, am, was, were, has, have, did, do. ठीक है, तो ये जो क्वेश्चन टैग्स हैं वो इनमें मोस्टली हम क्या यूज करते हैं, लास्ट में जब भी हमें क्वेश्चन यूज करना होता है तो हम उसमें ये चीज यूज करते हैं. जैसे आई वांट टू गिव यू वन एग्जांपल ऑफ इट. सो एग्जांपल इज, फॉर एग्जांपल it's a lovely weather. Sorry, it's a lovely day. Okay, so I have written it's a lovely day. Okay, so I have here, is there any question in this sentence? As you can see any question in this? No, there is no question, but now I have to put one question to this sentence. What I am going to put is there and it, means we have to use it and is. So what we will write, isn't it, so it is the question tag. So it's the question tag. So what I have written is, isn't it? So I have added one question to this sentence. So I have written, isn't it? So it's a question tag. It is called the question tag. All right. So now next one is, one more thing I want to tell is, कि जो सेंटेंस होते हैं इसमें क्या होता है, जो पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट होती है. ऑलराइट, कि ये क्या है आपकी पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट. As you can see, it's a positive statement. There is no negativity in this sentence. All right. So then it will become negative. Then question tag will become negative. If the statement is in positive, then the question tag will be in negative form. So I have added, isn't it? Means not I have added. So it will become, isn't it? Alright, it's a positive, but I have changed it into negative, isn't it? So I just want the confirmation of the that person. Okay? Or one more thing is second. Second, what I want to take another example of it, that I want to take another example. So that is, you came by train. No, it's not. Charlie was kind-hearted. Okay, Charlie was kind-hearted. What? Charlie was kind-hearted. What I've written? Charlie was kind-hearted. So this is the sentence. I'm sorry, I have to take it negative. So I have to take it negative as so I have to take it as negative. So I have to write Charlie was not kind hearted. Charlie was not kind hearted. Alright. So this is the sentence and it's a negative sentence. What? It's a negative sentence. As you can see, I have written not here. It's a negative sentence. So I have to change it into a positive question tag. Means it should have a positive question tag. मतलब इसका जो भी question tag होगा वो positive होगा. So is there, was not is there. So it means first we have to take was. Means was we have to take and we have to write auxiliary verb was here, and then means we have not to take not. Okay, we should not take not. All right. And Charlie, for Charlie we have to use he because Charlie is a boy. So we have to use in this, what we have to use is pronoun. We have to take only pronouns. All right. So was he, so we will use was he. All right. So we have to use like this, was he. So Charlie was not kind hearted, was he. So like this, we have to do this. So it is in positive. So what I want to say is, जो भी which come at the end of the sentence and get any information, speaker's statement. So what? If the sentence is positive, it will change into negative question tag, and if the sentence is negative, and it will change into a positive question tag. So this you have to remember that if the sentence is positive, if there is no nothing, not is not there, then you have to write here not, you have to add not here in negative form, and if negative sentence is there, means you have to make it positive question tag. All right. So you have to write this in this form only, means you have to write short form only, and this. So this is for today. Now you have to do one exercise related to this. So we will do the exercise. So I want to tell you to open page number 16 so that we can do the exercise related to it. Now read these questions. As I have told you कि question का ही ये एक part है. What is your name and are you the monitor of the class? These are two different kinds of questions given here, and there are two types of questions that can be asked. Questions that begin with a WH word, and this also includes the word how. And questions that begin with an auxiliary verb is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, etc. Okay. So question tags are which come at the end of the statements are not like interrogative sentence. वो interrogative sentence की तरह नहीं होते हैं. This is because the purpose of using a question tag is not to get any information, but to get the listeners confirmation about the speaker's statement. तो इससे हमें listeners की confirmation मिलती है. जो भी हमें सुन रहा है speaker की statement जो भी है उससे हमें listener की confirmation मिलती है. So first one is example is given. It's a lovely day. So I have written question tag, isn't it? So you're being told about the meeting. So you're being told about the meeting. So haven't you? It will come, haven't you there? Now you have to do the exercise. Now write the correct question tags for the given sentences to change them into questions. So you are the daughter of our school's vice principal. So are is the auxiliary verb, and you we have pronouns. So aren't you? It's a positive sentence, so we have changed it into negative. So aren't you? And next one is she had ice cream yesterday. She had ice cream yesterday. So it will change into, because it's a positive sentence, so we have to change it into didn't she? Didn't she? All right. Now it is pouring heavily. It is pouring heavily. Means it will become isn't it? Isn't it? Question tag will be in negative. Isn't it? Now my father has left for the airport. Hasn't he? Hasn't he? Has left, so has will become hasn't, and he of my father. Now move on to the exclamatory sentences. Now exclamatory sentences, you have to see. Read these sentences. What a beautiful handwriting. So what are the exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences deals with sudden expressions like surprise, anger, excitement, or some other strong emotions. So an exclamatory sentence also begins with a capital letter but ends with an exclamation mark. तो ये एंड किससे होते हैं? बिगिन कैपिटल लेटर से होते हैं और एंड एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क से होते हैं. एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क कौन सा होता है? ये आपको ये जो दिखाई दे रहा है ये कौन सा मार्क है? एक्सक्लेमेशन mark. All right. Now use exclamatory words and exclamation marks to the following declarative sentences, statements into exclamatory sentences. Means ये कुछ declarative sentences हैं जिसमें हम कौन से words add करेंगे जिससे कि वो change हो जाएंगे exclamatory sentence में. All right. So there is one help box. From that you have to take those words and you have to add them accordingly. All right. So first one is we have won the game. So bravo, bravo, we have won the game. So it will come. Next one is it was a very good movie. So awesome, it was a very good movie. Awesome, awesome, it was a very good movie. Okay. So awesome will come, and you have done a very good job means wow will come, and plan for a vacation in a hill station. Fantastic will come, and my left ankle got twisted means ouch will come, and in the last sentence she wrote this essay all by herself, and amazing will come here. So this is the exercise you have to do in your notebook, and you have to complete this work so that I can give you good marks. If you do your work on time and in good handwriting, then only I will give you good marks. So please do it on in time and do it correctly. And if you have any question, if you have any query related to these two topics I have told you today, one is related to exclamatory sentences and another one is related to question tags. So if you have any doubt related to these topics, you can ask me question on class WhatsApp group so I can answer you. So thank you for today. Thank you for watching.